Are you looking for a ranch on a basement in Northwest Allen County Schools? Have I got the home for you? Welcome to my newest listing. I'm Linda Williams with Coldwell Banker Real Estate, and let's take a look at 13169 Sierra Run. Walking into the home, we are greeted with this beautiful fireplace and this nice great room with these gorgeous floors. Opens right up into your kitchen with your nice dining area. And this home is a split floor plan. So we have two large guest bedrooms on this side of the home and your huge primary suite on the other side. That primary suite also includes an ensuite that they say size doesn't matter, but in this case, I think it does. One of my favorite parts of this house is this basement. It is massive, first of all. Great place for a family room. You could add a bar, make it a playroom, a huge office, hobby room, or like the current homeowners have, make it a big place to jam out with your friends. I mean, I don't know how to do the air guitar thing, but something like this would be a great place to do it. That's all I'm saying. I just love these quartz countertops. I'm sure you will too. Thanks for checking out this latest listing of mine at 13169 Sierra Run in Quail Creek. We're out north in Northwest Allen County Schools. You definitely want to check this out. Give me a call if you'd like to see it privately, 260-615-2290. And again, I'm Linda Williams with Coldwell Banker. See you soon. I don't even know. I took drum for a year and I still don't know. Yes. I was terrible.
There it is. Perfect.